Well, we still have some light snow falling tonight in our eastern counties, and boy, we've had some really narrow, intense bands of snow that was falling at 3 inches an hour with thunder in parts of Miami County this evening, and still a little bit of light snow, of course, going on, but not necessarily much more in the way of accumulation. You can see this light snow from Rochester down through Peru and also Kokomo, and then down towards Tipton. Otherwise, it's just overcast, but the clouds are beginning to break up out towards the state line, and we'll see some clearing in the area as we head forward tomorrow morning, and that's going to allow the temperature to drop well down into the 20s, which will allow any slush or moisture to freeze on the roads, which will lead to slick spots during the morning commute. In the meantime, though, notice the snowfall totals. Boy, they varied so much in the viewing area. And when you have these convective snowfall events, they're like summer thunderstorms. They can just dump on one location and not so much on the other. Now, south of Monticello, we had around 2 inches of snow. Not very much in Newton, Jasper, or Benton counties, but around 1.5 inches out towards Attica and Odell. 2 inches in Crawfordsville, 3 inches down towards Jamestown and Boone County, out towards Forest. Around 5 inches of snow, but Randy Rogers had 3 at Frankfort. And then 10 inches with trees and power lines down near Peru. And up around Rochester, we had 2 inches in town, about 7.5 out towards Akron, and south of Rochester, 8.5. So again, just widely varying amounts of snow in the viewing area. Tonight, though, the temperatures are on the way down. So you can see the moisture on some of the pavement. That'll start to freeze up a little bit. It's 32 at the station, 32 Burlington, 31 Kokomo, but still 35 Rensselaer. But the freezing line quickly approaching from the west towards your location there in Rensselaer, and we'll be down, if we can get totally rid of the clouds, we'll be down low to mid 20s tomorrow morning, and then highs mid to perhaps upper 30s, a little breezy at times, but mostly sunny skies tomorrow afternoon. So after this highly variable snowfall event, watch for some slick areas on the roads in the morning and some frozen car locks because there will be moisture in some of those doors. Then we'll continue with the flooding on area rivers right through Saturday. Wabash, Lafayette likely to crest about 8 feet above flood stage towards late Wednesday. So highs tomorrow, again mid to upper 30s after 20s during the morning, and then we'll drop into the teens tomorrow night. Snow exits tonight, the clouds start to clear out. Tomorrow, a mostly sunny day. Notice we're mostly sunny right through the afternoon, mostly clear tomorrow night. That's what will allow the temperature to really drop well down to the teens. And boy, some of these areas that have snowpack will be in the single digits tomorrow night, and then mostly sunny skies as we get into Thursday. And then as we get into Friday, a few scattered snow showers late in the day. Right now, if there's anything, a little dusting in a few places, and then some scattered snow showers Monday and Tuesday. It's too early to tell if that's going to be much of a big deal, but I can tell you there may be a dusting in a few places with that one as well. But notice the temperatures not going up much. The average high is about 41, Dan. We will not be up to 41 over the next 7 days, that's for sure.
It's just those snowfall totals from trace to 10 inches just in a few counties is incredible.
Yeah, well, and you drive from Rochester and then go to like Akron, for example, you're going to go up about 6 inches of snow. So it's a hodgepodge of amounts.
So just basically tomorrow, you really got to be careful.
You got it.
Well, we talked about this snowstorm. Well, there was a hurricane that blew in. I'm hoping the Boilermakers could batten down the hatches, and they got a big victory tonight at